Hey there and welcome to another episode of Jeff's Toy Box. And right now we are going to do an unboxing review again, or a blind unboxing review again. But for not for a Blockies figure. Okay, ito ipopost muna natin yung ating Blockies serye. But I believe we had the news na merong Wave 5 na paparating ng Blockies Transformer that will circle around Transformer 1 movie. So, hintayin natin yon. But for now, itatabi muna natin yon at ipopost muna natin ang Blockies area. And we are going to review one of the viral figure here in the Philippines. Recently we had a toy convention which is held in Pasay, and it features Voltes 5 Legacy figures. From building blocks to toy swords to basketballs, and yung figure na i-review natin. So if you are a 90s kid, okay, or lumaki ka ng 1990s or pinanganak ka ng 1990s, there's a big possibility na alam mo yung larong touching. And parang ganun yung motif nung figure na ito. So what I'm talking about is the Voltes 5. Itatas ko na ng konti. Yeah. So what I'm talking about is the Voltes 5 Legacy 12 cm figure na blind box figure. And so makukuha mo rito is a Voltes 5 figure na made on rubber, I believe, and is solid color. Now if you are into coloring figures, customizing, or yung like Gun Plus and whatsoever, then this is good for you, or this is the item for you, just in case kung gusto mo magkaroon ng Voltes 5 na figure, tapos gusto mong gamitin yun for your coloring and whatsoever. And so pagdating sa packaging, this is one of the good quality yung packaging niya, yung box niya. And as you can see here in front, we have Voltes 5 11, collect all 11 figures, sample lang figure na makukuha natin. 12 cm figure, warning, sa side si Voltes 5 ulit, sa likod yung mga variety or yung parang figure list na makukuha mo. So we have here red, blue, yellow, white, gray, then translucent or transparent red, blue, yellow, white, and gray. And then we have the rare color, which is the gold color. Sa kabila, Voltes 5 ulit, 12 cm, sa taas, Voltes 5, and a sticker of authentication, I guess, that says it's Tele Success Productions, and with the shiny thingy. And then sa ilalim is warnings and some of the manufacturers who manufactured the toy. So I have here 3 figures because of the lucky number 3. Okay, always yan. So hoping na makuha natin yung rare. For me, I don't have really a specific target or kung anong gusto kong makuha. Pare-pares lang naman siya ng itsura talaga. Well detailed naman siya, and so on and so forth. But I might like to have siguro yung mga is transparent. So transparent, then also transparent, because it really gives me nostalgic effect nung dati, nung bata-bata ako, na nangungulekta rin ako ng mga transparent mga Street Fighter figures. If you are aware of the Street Fighter figures dati, na mga translucent, yan gusto ko. Tsaka syempre, kung kuha natin yung rare, bakit hindi, di ba? Anyway, open na natin yung first box natin. Sana meron man lang silang alam niyo yun, yung parang easy tracing na madaling buksan yung box, na hindi masisira yung packaging. Ganda kasi ng packaging, sayang naman. So ito yung bag niya, and makikita mo na rin pala rito kung ano yung makukuha mo. But here is the bag, and as you can see, we have here the Voltes logo na parang sneak peek or peephole para makita mo kung ano yung loob niya. Anyway, so our first, wow, ganda, hefty hefty yung niya, solid. So our first figure is yung white, opaque na white na figure. Ayan, ito siya. I believe ito yung white. I don't know how well it shows ano sa camera, pero that's how it is. So as you can see here, yan, konting detailing. Kung magpo-focus lang yung camera ko, sana kung magpo-focus lang sana yung camera ko. Ayan, so yan, detail wise ang ganda, tsaka hefty siya, as in. But still, look, ano, ang ganda. Sana may konting articulation lang siya, kahit papano, kahit siguro 4-point articulation lang, or kahit nga ano lang sa kamay lang, just to give the idea of possibility. But yeah, still that this is good. Pati yung pati yung talampakan niya, meron ko makikita mo yung detail. This is good, nice, hefty. Alright, so we put white voltage spec. Tsaka ito yung magandang figure for coloring kung gusto mo mag-custom. Next natin, okay, still hoping for a transparent figure, or kung hindi man is the rare one. Wow, meron tayong translucent! Yay! Ito pa isa ko sa mga gusto ko, yung pinaka-transparent siya. Yung mukhang bumbilya. Ang ganda kasi nito flag. Look, try. Ganda. I like this one. Look at that. Shoot. Para siyang alam mo yung parang what do you call that? Para siyang yung blueprint style, di ba? Yung makikita mo yung loob ni Voltes 5. Ganda. I like this one. Hefty. Kahit translucent siya, you can still see the details, di ba? Look at that. Shoot, ang ganda. Parang diamond. Anyway, too much of that. Pero di, ganda. Maganda siya. Okay, we're on our last box. Hoping that this is a rare. So, fulfilled na tayo. Meron tayong opaque, meron tayong translucent. So, I'm hoping this one is another the rare one. So, and here we go. Ay, tawag dito, duplicate. But anyway, it's good pa rin para sa akin. So, we have a dupe of the white Focus 5. Ay, hindi. Ito pala yung white. So, gray to. This one is gray. Parang napakaliit naman ng gray, ng pagka-gray niya. And then this is white niya. Kita yung niya. Kitang-kita yung pagkakaiba niya. Akala ko dupes. Uy, ang taray. Ang ganda ng call ng mga combination. So, yan. So, same details, but white. Tapos parang yung translucent plastic niya. Parang iba yung talaga yung sa white. Parang mararamdaman mo yung niya. Yung pagka tigas ng plastic niya. Anyway. So, there you go. So, we have, I might say we have a great color combi right here. So, we have a translucent white, and then a gray, and then the white combi. So, para siyang, alam mo yun, yung parang papa-evolve into a much better color. A much better color. Anyway, I think this is the best part to end our episode right here. Do I recommend this figure? Well, it depends. It depends on your taste. I mean, if you are into nostalgia, okay, and you want to try to have a Voltes 5 figure, kasi abot kamay naman yung presyo niya and I don't, siguro kung perfectionist ka or perfectionist ka, you want to collect everything, every color in the that the figure or the blind box offers, then go ahead. Or kapag treasure hunter ka na, you want yung rare, go ahead, you can collect everything. Pero it's the same thing it's the same design, the same details. So I might say na if ever that you just want to have a Voltes 5 legacy figure and na medyo may pagka hint or medyo may pagka taste of the 90s era of touching, then go ahead, buy siguro mga 1 or 2 figure, that's enough. Sulit naman siya because of the heftiness, because of the details, and yung bigat niya talaga hefty talaga siya. I mean, it's your choice. It's your choice. Okay. Anyway, that is it for today's episode. Thank you for watching and hope sana nagustuhan yung episode natin for today. Kita-kits tayo sa next episode and you have a great day. Bye!